Hello UPSC aspirant, I am Himanshu Tyagi and welcome to another new session of Career Launcher IAS. Today we're gonna talk about UPSC 2023 examination. So UPSC 2023 examination is still 2 year ahead, but what we are saying is start early, stay ahead. So it is the right time to start for your UPSC 2023 examination, because one thing that you will always gonna face trouble with if you're starting your UPSC exam preparation is time. So time would be your biggest enemy. So to make sure that you have time on your side, it is always advisable to start early for your UPSC exam preparation. Now in this particular session, I'm going to discuss with you how you can start your preparation right now and what are the things that you need to do for the next 2 years so that you can strategize your preparation and crack UPSC 2023 in your first attempt. So let's go ahead with the session. Now, when you start your UPSC preparation, let us see what are the things that you need to do while preparing for UPSC examination. One thing that you need to understand is that the syllabus is very vast and it is very complex. Okay, so you need to do your general studies basics through NCERT booklets. You need to do your general studies advanced portion. You also need to cover up your essay portion. You also need to cover up your optional subject portion. You also need to do your CSAT. You also need to do preparation for your language papers in mains examination. You also need to cover up current affairs. You also need to make sure that you practice a lot of answer writing, because it is extremely important as far as the mains exam is concerned. And then you also need to prepare for your interview. So one thing that we can see from here is that there are too many dimensions that we need to cover if we wanted to prepare for UPSC examination. That again, tells us that we require time to cover up all such things in an effective and efficient manner. So if we have 2 years right now in our hand, what should be our strategy? So here I have created a preparation plan wherein I have divided the 2 years that we have into different module sections. So it's usually a 4 to 5 months or 6 to 7 months section that we have. So if we start from this particular year in 2021-22, if we are starting right now our preparation, what we can do is in the first 4 to 5 months, we can cover our general studies basic NCERT books section. So what I am doing out here is I am creating buckets of 2 years, and within those 2 year buckets, I am creating another buckets of 6 months or 5 months, 7 months duration. Okay, so if you are starting, let's say in July, August, by the time December happens, you should be covering your NCERT booklets, which will cover your general studies basics, and also you should be covering your CSAT portion. Okay, CSAT is an portion which is kind of static portion. Okay, nothing will gonna change, so you can cover it up in your first year itself. Okay, now you are ready with your concept part, and you are also covered your CSAT portion. Now the next 4 months you should cover your language papers if you wanted to put forward any kind of preparation into there, and you should also cover up your optional subject into this particular period. So by April-May 2022 you'll be covering your general studies basics and from NCERT books, your CSAT portion, language papers and optional subject. This is the same strategy that we follow in our GS 2-year integrated 2023 program. So yes, we do have a program for all those who wanted to start their UPSC 2023 preparation right now. We have a 2-year integrated program where we follow the same strategy. We start with general studies basic NCERT books. We cover up the CSAT in the first 5-6 months. Then we give you time for your language paper and optional subject paper. Then in the next year, I'll start my general studies advanced portion, which will gonna take close to 8 to 9 months to complete. So by January 2023, I'll be covering, so this is basically 23, I'll be covering my general studies advanced portion, and I'll also be covering my essay portion. Okay, so by this time, by December 22, or I'm sorry, January 2023, I'll be, covering my complete all the things that I have to cover that we have listed out there. Now after that, between January 23 to May 23, I only have revision and my practice left, and I have got enough time for revision and practice. So I'll be giving a lot of mock tests, I'll be revising whatever I have done. So this way it's very structured. You are not you're not coming into any kind of pressure with respect to time. You have divided your complete module into 4 different sections, and easily, very structured, efficient, effective way, you're able to cover your complete exam module or exam syllabus. One thing that I have mentioned out here that you need to note is that current affairs and answer writing practice, that should be part of common for both year and all the sections. So from the very first day, I'll start my current affairs preparation. I'll keep on, working on my newspaper, monthly magazines, PIB, PRS, Vikaspedia, all those parts. And answer writing practice also I will start once I'm done with my NCERTs. So your answer writing and current affairs will be part of all the sections that I've talked about here. So in this way, within 2 years, you will be completely prepared. And this is the same way exactly the same way we also teach in our GS 2023 2-year integrated program. We start in the first year, we cover up your NCERT booklets for your general studies basic. We cover up your CSAT portion. We give you time for language and optional subject. Then we cover your general studies advanced portion in the next year, your essay portion, your revision, and then there is a proper test series for your practice. And this will go from the very first day till last day, answer writing practice and current affairs in our program. I'll just give you a little idea about what our program is. So Career Launcher IAS is basically expert into online programs for UPSC examination. We have the most comprehensive 2-year online course in the country right now. You can check out with any other course that's available. This is the most comprehensive course in the country, and also this is the most affordable course also. So top quality at a very affordable price, that's our motto. You will have live interactive classes by Delhi mentors. You'll also get class recordings of each and every class. And other than that, we'll cover NCERTs, we'll cover GS prelims, we'll cover CSAT, we'll cover GS mains, all 4 papers, we'll cover your essay, we'll cover also your current affairs, answer writing practice, interviews, and you'll get unlimited access till your mains 2023. That means you will get close to 2.5 years of access for your recorded classes and all other study material that has been allotted to you. Okay, we take pride in basically our answer writing practice. So we'll give you option of writing your answers. We keep on giving you questions, and you can send those answer writings to the faculties. They'll check out, they'll give you the improvement plan, they'll tell you your weaknesses, the wrong thing that you have done, and how you can improve onto that. Also in your live interactive classes, we give you 100% guarantee that all the questions that you will ask, every question is being answered. The class will not end until all the questions have been answered in a live class. So that's a 100% guarantee that has been given by Career Launcher IAS. So we'll give you 1500 plus hours of live interactive classes with doubt solving, recording of all the classes, a weekly current affairs coverage for 2.5 years. You'll also get daily current affairs notes. You'll also get monthly guest speaker lectures from ex-IAS, IPS, IRS officers for your motivation and for the guidance. There'll be special doubts and exam analysis session. In study material, you will get class notes for every class. So there'll be close to 400 class notes that will be given to you. There'll be 15 ebook set that has been allotted to you. You can also pay a very decent amount, a very meager amount, and order the hard copy of the books as well. You'll also get the NCERT compilations. You'll get daily, monthly, weekly current affairs updates, notes, tests. All these are part of your particular program. For practice, you will get daily test, weekly test, monthly test, and prelims and mains all India test series. Okay. You'll also get 4 monthly magazines for current affairs, which will cover every facet of current affairs that is required as an UPSC aspirant. We'll also cover the budget and economic survey of 2022 and 2023 out here. You can also interact with the mentor after the class. So during the class, we give you a 100% guarantee of doubt solving, but even after the class, if you have any doubt, you will be connected with your mentors and batchmates through a very specific Telegram group where only the enrolled students are allowed. You will also keep on getting regular quizzes and contests, and there will be unlimited access till mains examination 2023. So all those at a very, very affordable cost. The program cost is roughly around 40,000 rupees. So you can just consider, you can just check out what what we have in store for you, and these are top quality courses at a very affordable price. These are the faculty team which is going to teach you. There are close to 10 mentors that has been allotted to your batch. Every mentor is specialist into their particular stream. These are the results that we have. So we have 6 top rankers in top 15 2019. 2020 result is still to come. We have been fortunate enough to have rank 1, rank 2 multiple number of times. So it's a top quality course which will help you a lot in your dream of cracking the UPSC examination. So I just invite all of you to come and check out the UPSC 2023 2-year integrated course that we have. So if you wanted to connect with me, my email ID is himanshu.tyagi@careerlauncher.com. You can send your queries, your suggestions, or any problem that you're facing in your UPSC examination. You can ask any question to me on this email ID. If you wanted to connect with me on Telegram, I'm available on Telegram app with the username Himanshu_Tyagi. So if you type in on Telegram search bar Himanshu_Tyagi, you will find me. My profile picture has Career Launcher logo in it, so you'll be able to find me easily. Thank you so much. This is Himanshu Tyagi signing off. We'll see you in the next video.